haka sedang yaga Pulse Polio Immunisation Day Ri-Bhoi District u Dr. Abhishek Saini Deputy Commissioner ke Ri-Bhoi District menta kesengi ula lam khmat ban ai dawai polio ya lai jong ikhun kum kejing penseluruh ya ki babon ki kimi ki kpa ki berang dan khun red bakin shem ya ka kabu na ka benta kejing ya da ya la ki khun ban lat na kejing pang polio hakani kejing ya lang ban sedang ya kejing ai dawai polio la penlong hanong po Urban Health and Wellness Center haka shnong ling kedat haka bau DC Ri-Bhoi Dr. Abhishek Saini ula shem menta kum ukong san haka jing dan lang ke Dr. AR Marak BMHO ke Dr. Alisha JSMD District Surveillance Officer wat kiwe Habakran hagani kesengi nakaliang u Dr. Abhishek Saini ula ai kuble ya katanat kakot ke kia ka balashim kia penlong ya ka program ka badan kam mat ula kerpat chabaro ki kimi ki kpa makin ra ya lagi jong ki khun ki bahapo sansnam sha ki jaka ai dawai polio bat ban penjau tang ar drop na ka benta ke jing em ka babha ban lat na ka te ka chat jing pang kani ka jing ai dawai polio ka longkom shibenta jong ka thong jong ka sarkar ban penti kana babaro ki khulung ki bahapo sansnam karta kin yo ya ka jing ya da na ka jing pang polio
We are always grateful to the office of this the Deputy Commissioner for giving us this land to have our own building in this complex. We were really struggling, sir, to have a house of our own, to have a building of our own. The ones we get in Nongpo were too costly, which we cannot afford. So we are really grateful for the office of the Deputy Commissioner for lending us this land. And also we have another adolescent clinic in Muda building. Yes, sir. That is also because of favor of, I can say favor of DC office, we could get that room also in Muda. We are trying to develop that building also, that room also, for the convenience of people. So, sir, I would like to request you to give the first drop of polio, 2 drops for the lucky child who is here today.
This program at the event of the Pulse Polio Immunization. So to all the people, I would like to appeal to bring their children for the Pulse Polio Immunization. This vaccination is very important for them in order to ensure protection from a very difficult disease, which is polio, and just 2 drops of this will be life-saving for them. So I appeal to all the people of the district, all the parents, the mothers, to please make sure that during this campaign the children should be vaccinated and the polio drops should be given to them. And once again, I'd like to thank the health department and all the team for their efforts, and I hope that this campaign will be very successful. Thank you.